Yo, what up guys, back in the video, and I have a brand new Lego set I'm going to be doing. I just got it. Holy moly. It's this big set. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera. So big. But let me check. And you can't, okay. Yes, it is so big. I had to check. And it is 37 centimeters and 14.5 inches going this way, going up, and 21 centimeters and 8.5 inches going this way. So height is 37, so the height of it, so going from up to down is 37 kilometers cm, 37 cm and 14.5 inches from top to bottom. From side to side, it is 20 centimeters, 8.5 inches. That's how big it is. So, let me unbox it. Let me stop talking about this. Sure got scissors. Let me be right back while I got scissors. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. I have this X-Acto knife, I guess. So this knife. Don't play with knives, guys. It's not safe. Get it over here. Let me open this. This is the thing that the book comes in. So this is the book. I don't know what this is, but we have the book right here. So we're gonna open the book first. Be very careful. Because this one is rare. We have one. That is it. We have the book. We have the book for it. We have the book. What is this? What is this? Oh, this is the film. This is sick. Look at. This is the film for for the thing. Well, this is sick. So here we have the film. Holy moly, that's pretty cool. (2023). So this came out 2023. Here's the correct way. I had it the wrong way. I don't know why. Here's the correct way. Holy moly. I'm gonna leave. I don't wanna mess this up. So I'm gonna put this. Whoa. Back. In the box. Okay, back in the box. Make sure I recall that I can scan. Alright, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 bags. 6 bags. 4. This set. 6 bags for this set. Holy moly. So I'm gonna time lapse this so it doesn't take that long. But guys, but you know, yeah. Here we go. Time lapse. Grab that again. Bag 1. Right guys, so this is number 1. So we just built this. Pretty cool. It's only took a while to build. Right now. We're getting number 2, so yeah. Or get an extra pen. All right. All those spare pieces. I might need that just in case. But Walt Disney and spare pieces. All a chair for right now, and I will get a bag for that soon. Move this down here, and we will start putting it together. All right, bag 2. This is what we got out of number 2, and I'm gonna stop building right now. My hand's getting tired. My knees are getting tired. I'm kneeling down to do this for you guys. If I had a taller table, I would do this. I would do a longer video for you guys, but you know, I will be back on day 2 to finish these 4 for you guys, and I will get my thing up on the thing. I don't know. Probably I will use my chair probably, but you know. But yeah, this is what we got out of number 2, and this is what we got out of number 1 for the first day. All right. Second day coming up. Day 2. You know what? Put these 2 down here. And then, down here. I'm gonna sit down because my knees are getting tired. I cannot do a day 2. I'm gonna finish this all today. For you guys. Grabbing a chair. Money. Grabbing extra pieces. I'm gonna find another table. Oh, yes. A table. I'll put my instructions down here. Alright. Sorry about it, guys. I had to get changed. Rearranged. Alright, bag 3. The bag 3, 4, 5, and 6 to do. 4 more bags. Holy moly. Thought there could be way more bags, but no. This took me 4 hours to build. Yes, 4 hours to build. And are you ready to see it, guys? Are you ready to see it? 3, 2, 1. Here it is. We have the page. We have the 100 right here. And this is cool. This moves. This moves up. Up and down. Does it turn? No. It's a bit wobbly, but this does remove and stuff. Pretty cool. I know, idiot. Whoa. There we go. Pretty cool and stuff. And here are the characters. So we have Walt Disney himself. We have Mickey Mouse. We have the one and only. Yeah, so we have. So we have Walt Disney, Mickey Mouse, Bambi, Minnie Mouse over here, and the one and only Dumbo. So we have Dumbo, Minnie, Walt Disney, Mickey, and Bambi. And if you look like this, look at. So this looks like a film camera, right? But if you go like this, look at. I'll turn it around. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at. That's cool, right? Made up of 3. Three images. Isn't that cool? So cool, right? Oh my goodness. Looks so cool. So amazing. Look at. There's the night. There's the sky. Right there, there's the house. So you have the sky, the house, and then the walkway to the house. We'll give you a line up just right. It looks like the walkway to the house. We know. That also looks cool, right? That looks cool. Oh my goodness gracious. Dope. So cool. This moves like I showed you before. And look at all the detail. Look at all the details it has. So it has the 100 right here. It has the 100 right here. I'm not going to try to touch it too much because this is fragile. So look at, we have all the Disney. We have, whoa. We have all the Disney films. he has worked on. Look at all the Disney films he has worked on, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Here's all the Disney films on the thing. There's a lot of detailing. Holy moly. Look at that. There's one thing I want to show you also. If you go behind the 100, sorry. If you go behind the camera, if you go to this side, this is pretty cool. This opens up. This opens up, and Walt Disney would sit right in here. Let me take him. They put his book. The first Mickey. Oh my goodness, look at the first Mickey. Well, not ever. This is not the original first Mickey. Look at it's written on paper. It's drawn. Look at. So back then, paper was yellow, kind of, and this looks like paper. So this looks like he drew it on paper, right? But if you guys don't know that about history, about the first Mickey actually was made on a napkin. Yep, Walt Disney created Mickey Mouse. This lovable guy. Oh, focus. Focus. Was the lovable guy on a napkin. Yep, he created it on a napkin, so I want to place that right there. We're gonna take Disney and look at. I like how they added this. So you see Disney, Walt Disney right here, right? So I'm gonna give you an example of every character that I made. Yes. Pretty cool. And he doesn't have just one face. He has two faces. He's a two-faced minifig. Yes. Alright, I'll place him down later. Here in a sec. I'll place him down here in a sec. And look at this. Whoa. If you look at Walt Disney, look at. They gave him a pen. They gave him a little pen for him to hold. So he holds a Mickey Mouse and the pen. I'm gonna put the pen right back in your hand. Let me. Sit down. Sit down. And move your arm down, buddy. There we go. Look at that. He just sits in right in there. As you guys can see, look at Walt Disney just sits right in there. And guys, I know you didn't get to look at the film I know you didn't probably get to look at the film pretty good, so I'm gonna angle my camera downwards, and I will show you each and every thing on the film. So I can do that. I put it together. So let me just get it off. And it's easy to put back on. Alright. This is the whole film. Ready? That's a whole thing for the camera. Now I'll show you how I do this. So what you're supposed to do is, so we're gonna take this. Bloop, bloop, like this. Wrap it around this. If you want to make it professional. Gotta lift it up a little bit. Now lift the other side up a little bit. Or not. There you go. Whoa! And this is like little, look at these guys. They're like little like screw things, my bobs. You know, for the legs, so this can go up inside here and out. Or up inside and out. Same with this one, up and out. I'm making them looking pretty good. Now let me I took that off so you guys can actually see what it looks like with the full door open. If you close the full door, there you have it. And this just says right back on. Like that. no hassle and stuff, and it's pretty cool. Pretty cool and stuff. And yeah, so this is a neat set, and you can see every character on this. Like I showed you before, you can see this. What you guys did not know, oh Dumbo, you're falling out. Dumbo, you fell. Wow, and there goes Bambi. There goes Bambi. Alright. But if you don't know, look at this. And action. And ready? Action. Scene 1, take 1. Scene 2, take 2. Okay, scene 1, take 2. Pretty cool, right? So they did they added that to it. And there's a lot of people that don't know a lot about this set. And if you're thinking of getting this set, let me tell ya, this set is available everywhere. There we go. I have it locked. There's a little locking mechanism on the box. You can lock it and display it. And guys, this is 37 millimeters and 14.5 inches tall. And how wide is it? It is 21 millimeters and 8.5 inches. That's how long it is. So the top, so from the top to the bottom is 37 and 4.5 inches. So here to here is 37 slash 14.5 inches tall. So that's how tall it is, but the length, so here to here is 21 slash 8.5 inches. Pretty cool. And the cool thing about this, so guys, it is 14 and up, and it has 811 pieces. But people don't know. Ooh. Oopsie. Oh guys, I did it wrong. I did this wrong. So it's supposed to be like this. It's supposed to be another piece right here.
I don't know where it is, but I'll be right back. What you guys, back, and it is day 3, and yes, I filmed the video 2 days ago, and it took me a lot of time to edit this video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Anyways, I will do more Lego stuff in the future, I promise, and I will try to film the whole thing of me building the projects. But yeah, right now I don't know why, I just did not feel like building the whole thing. I thought it was gonna take it too long. The video was probably gonna be like an hour long, or 2 hours long. I don't know, but I will do Lego sets for you in the future, more Lego sets for the future, and I will film me building the whole thing. I promise you. I will build the whole thing for you guys in the future. When I get more Lego sets, I will do more videos for you guys and stuff. But yeah, pretty cool and stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna have a box for it. So I'm probably gonna have like a box. Here, I'll show you. The box is probably gonna be as big as this popcorn machine. I don't know, but I will film a video of me putting it in there, so that will continue the video. So I have not got the box yet. But yeah, I want to see how big the box is gonna be. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna put these on the Lego set. I'm gonna put this on the Lego set. Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. Yeah. I'm gonna put that on the Lego set and stuff for you guys. Holy moly. Yes, this is gonna be on the Lego set for you guys. Yeah. It comes in. Let me show you. So we have these. So we have these guys right here that are going to be for the Lego set and stuff. These are made for the Legos and stuff. As you guys can see, these are made for Lego creations and stuff. So I have like a box I'm going to put on. Here's the thing that wires everything. I'm not testing this out yet. Whoa. I'm not tested the lights out yet. I'm gonna do that when I know how big the box is gonna be. I'm gonna put some on the Lego set. I'm gonna put some of the lights on the Lego set. Some of these lights on the Lego set, and some on the walls, so it looks like the walls are shining and it looks like the Lego set is projecting and stuff. I have it all planned out, so pretty cool and stuff. It's been pretty cool stuff, so I have an idea for that. So you will get me working on that. I have not got the box yet. Probably gonna order the box here soon. And this was a graduation present from my mom. Yep, a graduation present. From my mom. This is kind of hard to close, so I'm going to try to Close. Close it. It's supposed to be like this closed, but I am having trouble closing it, as you guys can see. How do you do this? I don't know how you do that. There's no instructions. Close the box. But you know. Oh, I have an idea. See if my idea is gonna work. Work for one side. Yeah, I kind of closed it, kind of didn't, but you know, that's how good it's gonna get. But you know, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss another video when I post one. Peace out, have a great day, and stay cool.